How to find account settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and now here you will find account. Just click on it and here you can delete your account, and you can just click here link account, and here you can manage it, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.